Hello, and welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. Well, I went back downstairs, almost got to the pet room, and then found another bin with things, including, yes, a bag. And it is marked, as you should be able to see, 4040 dry belt. And there does seem to be two of them in there. And there's also the little timing thing. Oh, are there three in here? Oh, there could be three. Well, it's not special. Well, I think I'm going to grab... That one doesn't look so good. I'll grab the one that looks the best. I'll put the drive on its face. I'll put the belt around the big thing. Oh no. I'll put it around the little thing, put it on the edge of the big thing at the middle, and spin it to get it to go into position. And look at that. Oh, it's slipping down the side. Hello. Oh dear. I have... Okay. Spin it some more, get it somewhat better centered. Gee, did I get a twist in it? I don't think so. Nope, no twist. No twist. Looks good. So now, we need to test this. So I could, if I was so inclined, screw this all back in and see what's what. Now here is always a moment in time that I dread. I don't want things to fall. Okay, and there's no little holder for this thing. Okay, so the drive is in its back leaning position. And with great care for the cables, especially the little wee one, I will slide this back into the drive, where it kind of fits securely in the front, but it won't fall in. So the little B cable can go on, and this bigger thing that controls the spinning and such can go on. Now, I did unplug this. I did. So I'll have to lift this up, reach in behind, get the power cable on, and I'll turn it on. And indeed, drive 0 is now spinning. All right, well, that's a good sign. Now, it's not secure in there at all. And speaking of secure, I've had trouble with the IEEE cables that I brought up here. They seem to have some resistance to working properly at times, but I should put these in a bag, but I'm going to put them back in very soon, so I'm going to leave them there. So here's what am I going to do. This pet that has been saying World of Commodore, World of Commodore, World of Commodore over and over and over. By the way, this is the one I stretched the screen size on. I'm going to turn it off. And I'm going to reach behind and see this cable here, which is a newer one that says up. I've not had good luck with it, so I'm not going to do this one here, which is another cable of early origins. It has had issues. And I have not yet sprayed the oxid into either end of this, which I should do. But at this moment, I am just wanting to test the drive. So I will look for the way that the logo is, and that's the upside. And I will open this pet, push the drive a little bit out of the way, twist the pet into a forward position. It's funny, the cable really wants to go in upside down, but I'm not buying it. I'm not doing it. Not that it would hurt, but it's not good. Okay, so the cable is in. Now, I'm going to turn the drive on, and it does its magical noises. Then I'm going to turn the pet on, and it resets and does its magical noises. Now, I'll put this down. Okay, so drive 1 is reading the 1571 test demo disk. Oh, this one seems to be having a little trouble. I will try drive 0. Now this drive has not been spinning for a long time. It may have other issues. It is trying. I can hear it. It may have a dirty... Oh, it's starting. It's starting. There we go. Okay, so I figure what I'm going to do, because I can, and I'm here, I'm going to put a disk in drive. Ooh. This keyboard is pretty clean, but not perfect. Ah, VIC-SWITCH. Okay. So drive 1 comes up, drive 0 comes up. Life is good. So I think what I will do I have a program in here? I do not. I will write a quick program. 10. Open 15, comma 8, comma 15, comma quote I, quote, colon, close 15. And then I will go back up and I will do almost the same in 2 more, except this keyboard has weirdness going on that for me to move the cursor across, it won't. So I kind of have to cheat and space my way over, then move my way up, then insert, and then hit return, and then go down and space over, and then move up into the position I want to be, and do that. So we have 3 lots, 10, 20, and 30 open. I've opened 15, 8, 15, quote I, that should do both drives. I've done I0, that should do drive 0. I draw drive 1, that should do drive 1. Now in 15, I'm going to say catalog. In 25, say catalog D0. In 35, I'm going to say catalog D1. We'll look at that. And I guess in 40, the number 4 is not happening. Oh, it's happening now, sort of. Go to 10, maybe in line 5. I'll tell it to clear the screen. And then, if I wanted to make it exotic, I would put in line 100, print DS $, return, return, because yes, we're going to do a go sub. So what are we going to do? Say in line 12, go sub 100. And then in line 22, we'll do that. In line 32, we'll do that. And then we'll go to, say, line 17, 27, and 37. And now we have a bigger program happening. Look at that. It's, oh, sorry. It's almost, not quite the whole screen. So what are we doing? We're clearing the screen, and then we're going to have it initialize, and then we're going to go sub. What is go sub? Go sub is go to a subroutine, and then it will come back from the subroutine. So if I type in run now, this should do things and read things and test things, and every little while it's going to come up and say okay. I think I have one of them out of position because it's coming up like twice in a row. Let me just list this again. Hang on. Do I have two go subs in a row? Okay, go sub, go sub, go sub, go sub, go sub. No, maybe not. Oh, I know why. Because when you use the initialization, it doesn't do anything in terms of what's on the screen. It just does it. So I guess I will leave this to torture and test for a bit. Make sure that everything seems fine and dandy. And then I'll put the screws back in, run it through some more testing. But it does tentatively seem that all that was wrong with this 4040 was a broken belt. So life is good. Anyway, thanks for coming to the pet room. Oh, the TV room, where I now have pets. But of course, this is really where I'm supposed to be soldering and desoldering. But things happen. So indeed, thanks for coming. David Bradley in the TV room, signing off. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.